Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Jean-Pierre Tilehe. I'm now completing my PhD program in data science, specializing in data mining. I've been working on a research project called Leveraging Big Data to build an effective monitoring, evaluation, and learning system of the water utility. I have so far published 5 papers and published in different internationally recognized journals. I've served as the Vice President of Rwanda Monitoring and Evaluation Organization. This is the Rwanda Society for Monitoring and Evaluation Practitioners in Rwanda, and I served as Vice President in charge of programs, and also served as the male specialist of the USAID in Rwanda in charge of the health portfolio. I also got an opportunity to become a member of USAID Data Literacy Working Group, a member that was also attending weekly meetings of the data board of the USAID agency-wide based at Washington. I was the one who created the Horizon of Excellence Limited in 2011. Remember that Horizon of Excellence is a company that was among the first organizations that organized professional trainings in monitoring and evaluation, introducing data analysis, and also introducing data management in the component of monitoring and evaluation. So I'm very far motivated to advance the monitoring and evaluation professional career in Rwanda. That's the reason why I developed a NED memoir called The Journey of 9 Skills to Become an Expert in Monitoring and Evaluation. This includes 9 skills that we'll be developing, we'll be discussing if you really want to advance your career in monitoring and evaluation. Stay tuned with our programs. So we also have our motto, which is called Until People Speak Statistical Language. So the way we are organizing our program, we be delivering online presentation, but also we also organize the get-together opportunities to exchange ideas, to collaborate, but also to organize career fairs where prospective employers will be meeting with the people who are looking for job or employment. Imagine the time you will sit with your prospective employers discussing the issue you are facing in your professional path. So stay tuned. We also have developed the main curriculum. So this is the curriculum I'm introducing to you, which will be part of our presentation on future programs. So if really remain with us, you will have the opportunity to explore it. This curriculum also provides opportunity for 3-level certification. So those are mainly monitoring, evaluation, and learning professional certificate. That's number 1. Number 2, advanced male professional. And the third one, which is expert level, is called evaluation researcher. So stay tuned. So we have so many things for you if really remain with us. Thank you very much.